Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram login activity. It's really simple, so let's get into the video. So for that, we have to go on our Instagram app. Then right here, as you can see, I am on my profile. So the next thing that you need to do is click on those three lines in the right corner from the top of the page and then click on settings. After that, you have to click on security. And then right here, as you can see, we have login security and then password and login activity. So click on login activity. So right here you have the devices that you are logged in. So if you see a device that it's not yours, you can go ahead and click on these three lines right here next to the device. And then you can click on log out, and then you can scroll down and see on what devices you are logged in. And if you see something fishy, you can click on these three dots right here and click on log out. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. It means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.